Okay, you see.
You know
us
it.
rocking rockets, right? If you were watching that video.
Well,
We have made a part 1. If you didn't watch that, you can go check it out.
We basically scrapped it since the video was like messed up. So yeah. So today we're gonna be watching rockets.
But part 2.
The
water's open.
Well, okay. Okay. Who's gonna put this on?
But this time you're gonna see what we see.
So ready? We're gonna watch it like this. Okay, ready, set. Guys, you ready? Steady. That was super short. Okay, guys, we're gonna redo that. So this is level 1, the purple one. So now, ready? You want the camera?
Okay.
Whoa! I couldn't even track it. Next is you.
Also, you guys, you've seen this impossible one to launch. But if you were watching part
We haven't watched the last one since we deleted that recording.
oh yeah,
So yeah.
YouTube channel.
So this is.
YouTube channel.
It's so bright. Oh my! What happened? Okay. Sorry guys, that was weird. But anyways, this is level 1, and now Jim's gonna try it.
And next is gonna be level 2.
And if you haven't seen him yet, he's Owen. His name's Owen. So yeah, he's gonna try next. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Put it on.
Owen, can you show everyone level 2? Can you show everyone watching level 2? Level 2. Just show them. Show them the rocket. Show them. Oh, and show them the rocket.
I'm just. Okay. Okay. Now jump on it. Okay.
So all your can I try it?
Yeah, my cousin's gonna try it, y'all.
Boy, you better not post that video.
I am. This is why I make videos. Anyways, now it's time for us to go again.
Wait, let me see.
Okay, now my cousin's gonna try.
Boy.
His name is Nate. What? Where did it go?
Right there.
Oh my. That's high. Can you do again? Can you do again?
I used to have one of these.
I've seen this on YouTube once. So yeah. I'm gonna see where it is. Okay.
Oh my!
Oh, I don't think you can even
everyone's
see
right.
that.
Oh,
It's
there's
like-
another one?
It's over there.
I know if you guys have ever seen that. If you see that, and then you should
Yeah. Yeah.
you gotta hit that one hard.
Yeah. That's the level of free and impossible.
What the heck?
That's a level 3
What did you
impossible.
put in it? Wait, what the heck?
That's level 3 impossible mode. So I don't think
How
of
does it do that?
why you do that. It's super hard.
How?
Not even he can
How?
do it. Oh yeah.
Oh,
There
I
it
did
goes. Oh, there it goes. Guys, that thing is literally impossible. A 10,000 pound-year-old man has to jump on that with full force just to make it.
Kingston.
Never mind that. Just don't mind that. But that one is super hard. Whoa!
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Okay, who's gonna go next?
Let's try this.
What the? Why is he trying that? What?
Kingston, you come try it.
Okay.
Level 3. Impossible.
Ready, guys?
You're horrible. Please see. Go.
Okay, that's all it does.
Nope. Goodbye.
Okay. So now you're gonna try. You're gonna try. So now that everybody did level 1.
I need to.
Okay, he's just informing it. So this is level 3, an impossible one. So yeah, this is what this is. And now can I have level 2 real quick? And
Level 2.
here's level 2.
Get level 3 out of here.
Yeah,
level
nobody
2
likes level 3. 3 is bad. Okay, now Okay, I'm gonna go first. Okay. Okay, hold the camera, and you're gonna watch.
There's something right behind you.
That wasn't big. That wasn't big at all, but. Okay, now it's your turn, James.
Alright.
There's something in the
Here.
monsters right behind you.
Alright. I'm gonna
hold it.
And 3,
2, 1.
Whoa!
Whoa! That was high up. Now,
Not as high as your cousin.
now ready, guys? Whoa! That was high.
I got a little bit higher though.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do Now we're gonna do catapult style.
Oh, so you're doing.
Ready?
Oh, that almost.
Foul for mine can go. I put this to represent where mine was. So, but
You guys can't see. Okay. So my shot is gonna be with that, the black one.
yep. Okay, put this on. I'm holding the camera.
Alright.
I got it. Okay.
This is a more. So this is level 2. It's a little bit tighter, but the green level 3 one. Show them.
We're going. Yeah. It's been
The green level 3 one is the
hardest.
hardest. Out of
Next,
all
we're
of
gonna
them.
try purple on the catapult style. Ready?
Oh, I win this one. It's just because the car's in the way, so I don't really want to hit the car. But
I got it last time. I did it.
I got it.
Okay, now.
You're holding my Samsung.
I did.
Don't put that on there.
Okay, ready, guys?
Okay.
What's this here?
Oh.
I'm gonna mark where mine was.
You.
Okay. Black
bye-bye.
person.
Okay, we're gonna end this video soon after he does the last one, and then that's gonna be the end of the vid.
I'm gonna mark the last lane.
Okay, let's see if we can beat that now. Come over here. I'll hold you. I'll hold
I bet I can beat. I got this.
Okay, you wanna just put this down on the ground real quick?
Yeah, guys, just look at the grass. Pretty nice.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, guys. Now, ready, steady, go.
Oh, I beat it.
Okay. So now it's time
You're
to
in the
sign
lead.
off.
You're in the lead. Look, you're in the
So
lead.
we are in the tiebreaker. So basically it's a tiebreaker. So say bye to the camera, guys. His name is James. My name is King. Bye, y'all.